Halo, apa kabar teman-temanku semuanya? Semoga teman-temanku semuanya dimanapun teman-temanku berada dalam keadaan sehat-sehat selalu. Karena sekali lagi tentunya kesehatan itu sangatlah penting sekali bagi kita Dewi Indonesian Homecook. And welcome back to my channel, Dewi Indonesian Home. I hope you guys doing well. So today we are going to where we going? Where we going?
Surabaya Zoo.
Surabaya Zoo. So we are going to Surabaya Zoo. Right? Salam upluk-upluk ciri khasnya. Salam upluk-upluk. Hai guys.
Oke, salam upluk-upluk. Hari ini aku mau pergi ke kebun binatang jalan-jalan. Oke guys, karena aku warga Surabaya tapi belum pernah masuk ke tunnelnya. Guys,
Biarpun kita warga Surabaya, you never been to the tunnel, right? Teman-teman, aku tunjukin seperti biasa cuaca di mana kita tinggal, ya. Selalu cloudy in the morning, but today is not morning anymore. It's today in the afternoon. Today is already noon time. Hari ini yang ikut pergi jalan-jalan, Elina, my daughter, my younger sister, and myself. So trio today. We are trio.
Okay.
Your apa namanya itu? Moto, your moto.
hai guys, assalamualaikum, selamat siang, salam
Salam
kita mau jalan-jalan guys ya. Kita keseruan perjalananku kali ini di Surabaya, tunnel kebun binatang KBS Surabaya. Oke guys, assalamualaikum.
So ikutin perjalanan kita menuju tunnel kebun binatang Surabaya yang terbesar ya di kawasan Asia Tenggara. Bagi aku ini perjalanan for sure ini yang first time karena kebun binatangnya udah direnovasi. Seingat aku waktu aku masih kecil banget ya dulu sebelum kebun binatangnya become very amazing. Okay, see you. Oh my voice. Nah, jemputan kita sudah datang. Mana bus kita? Teman-teman, kita sudah meninggalkan rumah kita dan ini pemandangan apa ini? Kompleks. Seperti biasanya cuaca hari ini mendung. Moga-moga nanti kitanya sampai di tujuan tidak turun hujan ya. So guys, the weather in Indonesia today, the sky, wow, cloudy. So the traffic, it's not too bad, and just because today Friday in Indonesia, a lot of people going to pray as usually. Friday is the most important thing for a lot of people, especially for men. In Indonesia, they have to go for pray. Traffic is very, very, very bad. We are almost entering the city of Surabaya. Same guys, it's traffic. There is the sign, Selamat datang di Kota Pahlawan, which is the meaning of welcome to the city of the hero, Surabaya. To buy a property in Indonesia, especially in city of Surabaya. Wow, they have such a very good deal. If you guys interested to buy a property in Indonesia. City of tomorrow. So at the time this mall is very famous and very busy. After COVID, the mall is become wow super dead. There is no client, such a quiet customer. Guys, if you would like to go to a short trip, so in Surabaya we have a city bus. You guys can take that city bus from the terminal Bungurasi, and they can take you around between Gersik. Jalannya so mulus, no traffic, lancar-lancar aja. We are almost arrived to our destination. About maybe 10 minutes to 15 minutes.
Oh, iya ya. Oh, makanya kok nggak muncul. Ya, ya.
We are now arrived
Kemana?
to our
Oh,
destination.
titiknya di sini. Nggak salah fotografi yo.
So now teman-teman, kita akan menuju tunnel yang menghubungkan kita dengan zoo, ya. Hah? Tiket. Oh. Sekarang kita memasuki tunnel. Wow, amazing ya. Wow, bagus ya, guys. It's beautiful. Si Elina, hah? Welcome to Indonesia di dalam silakan mampir jika teman-teman nantinya berkunjung di Indonesia. Please come to visit Surabaya, the biggest zoo. Such a beautiful place to visit. If you guys someday came to visit Indonesia, you guys should stop to Surabaya city, which is we have such a beautiful zoo to visit, right? So let's see, we have follow me. Okay. It's beautiful. Wow. So amazing. Sakura means a turtle. So they also live in the island of Sulawesi.
Langsung chatting.
This one is a Sanchez. Wow. Oh, so scary, guys. Very scary. Apa ya? Kalimantan, Sumatera, Java, description salah satu. Krokodil.
Apes. Ini burung cendrawasih.
Beautiful apes.
Apes.
This apes is kind of like a type of a bird, but this the bird is a very
Ano?
It's a burung ya. Cendrawasih is a very famous a bird. So burung means a bird. Cendrawasih, the name of the bird. They are very famous in Indonesia. Kamu udah pernah kesini kak? So now we entering the zoo. Makasih ya. Okay, guys. Wow. So this is the zoo mat. Jalak Bali. Bagus ya? Guys, highly recommended. You have to come to visit city of Surabaya. Udaranya loh enak ya, segar ya. Bisa the fresh air. Elina, kom dulu. Hah? Tuh. Burung ini teman-teman, nasibnya kasihan, terancam punah ya. Loh, ada tandanya di situ.
Direbus.
Sebelah kanan jalan adalah apa ya, a kid zoo. Bagi teman-teman yang punya anak ya, silakan mengunjungi kid zoo area. Teman-teman, kebun binatang ini mengingatkan masa kecilku. Masa kecilku aku nggak tahu waktu itu aku umur berapa. Aku tuh pernah dikejar monyet teman-teman, dan monyetnya itu pantatnya merah. Kayaknya apa ya, pantat merah itu. Oh, ada monyet pantatnya merah. Wow.
Itu artinya dia tuh birahi. Dia tuh siap kawin.
Iya, monyet pantat merah. Apa namanya tadi? Yaki. Yaki.
lagi atau monyet hulai,
Oh,
monyet hitam.
ya, dia dangerous. Monyet itu. Ini apa nih? I thought was, yeah, that's for kids. Yeah, not for us. Guys, come and follow me. Check it out. Wow, it's such a beautiful fountain, huh? No, it's not fountain. Air mancur. Right? I apologize because of my voice. At this moment, I got cold. Then my throat is very itchy. I have terrible. Yeah, I have a terrible voice today. But it's not too terrible. What do you think? Oh, helpful.
No, ano ka ko? Pelikan Australia.
Wow. So guys, actually we are located at the Kid Zoo, yeah, Kid Zoo. So we surrounding with a lot of kids. Can you explain?
Last concert itu apa? Last concert.
I'll see. Yes, concern. Oh, maksudnya itu punya ini apa? Concern itu kayak sesuatu yang membuat apa ya? Khawatir.
Oh, yang harus di anu kan dulu. Khawatir deh itu kayak hampir.
Worried about this animal. Yeah. So this type of it's not really bird. So you don't need to be worried because this type of a bird, they can swim to finding a food. So there is no concern. People do not need to be worried. They can swim, they can eat. You know, they can swim underneath. So they can do so many things to look after themselves. So gajah ada taringnya. Harimau. Misi Perta.
Ini kita habis jajan. Ini kita beli makan.
Makan. Oke.
Tuh, ayam mutiara.
Iya ya. Padahal dulu kan enggak ya. Sendiri-sendiri.
Coba yang meter. Ya,
Bersih. Wow, unbelievable. So the zoo is a very clean. Huh? Oh yeah, giraffe. Giraffe. The floor so clean. Oh, ini lah bagus nih buat foto-foto. So, ada musiknya ya. Delilah. Lin. Turn around. Bisa love. Love you. So, how do you like your holiday?
Yeah, I'm happy. I like.
You happy?
Yes, I'm happy.
Yeah. We keep going. Hah? Monyet? Monyet? Dikasih batas ya? Soalnya kan dulu enggak. Kasih? Iya toh? Iya. We are now visiting our friends. Monkeys. A lot of monkeys. This zoo, especially in the city of Surabaya, they also serve, yeah, the night zoo. So, and however, if you guys interested to come to visit the zoo at night time, they are open, guys, until what time? Probably until midnight. Oh, dia lari-lari circle, exercise. Our friend.
Ada yang di bawah ibunya.
So cute, so cute. So cute. Ah. Wow, training, exercise. Inside the zoo, they also built library. Or dino, dinosaur, giraffe.
Tadi ada ini kan.
Oh. We are going to have lunch. Was offering us menu on the tables. Kita masih lihat-lihat menu dulu ya. Tahu makan apa?
Ini sudah ada nasinya, Mbak. Pakai nasi.
Guys, we decided for myself. I order nasi rawon, and for both of them, what about you? What you order? Huh?
Chicken steak.
Why you
With
order
rice.
chicken stick? Chicken stick with rice, and how about you? Huh? Nasi urap-urap. So, and then now we look at for our drink. Okay, for drink we order one of avocado juice and hot orange, and then bubble tea. Aku guys sama adikku, sama anakku.
Karena kita belum sholat kan lebih pagi.
Nah, pasti larang Indonesia kalau bermain loyo. Guys, kita sekarang berada di warung Mae. So we are now having lunch in the warung Mae nasi rawon. So ada apa? Kurang-kurang. telur jagung, ada ketimun, sayurnya urat-urat. Ini ayam ya. Sangat disayangkan teman-teman, ada orang merokok. Soalnya aku ini alergik sama rokok. Ini ya terus terang aja kenapa aku batuk. Soalnya di sini
Dengan jagung guys.
karena chicken stick has been served. So makan dulu. Bismillah. Your chicken stick flavor? Yeah? Delicious or really good? Delicious? Only in Indonesia, when you eat chicken stick, they serve with rice. Only in Indonesia. The cost for our foods, yeah, around about like 65,000 rupiah, which is in Canadian dollars, cost me about like $6, between $6 or $7. So yeah, it's very, very inexpensive, guys. So let's include our drink. So the cost was like 65,100 rupiah. So I believe so. In Canada, I don't think so. No, it's gonna be, yeah, just this bread, piece of bread for your lunch. Let's see. It depends where you go for like a burgers. If you go to the cheaper place like McDonald's in Canada, it's a very inexpensive, but it depends where you go. The Burger King is the fish burger. It's a little bit cost. It's very delicious. No, McDonald's is inexpensive. So London. So Indonesian people totally wrong the way they call foreigners with nickname as the bule, because bule meaning bule meaning is like yes, of course they have a white skin, but for them, if they really knew the meaning of bule, so all the foreigners feel like they are insulted, because not all bule is come from Holland. Bule has a many variety, come from Australia and Canada, you know. So and yeah, so many different countries. So the meaning of bule, I should know. They have a meaning why they call it. It clarifies about what we're spending for our lunch today was a little bit wrong, but still the cost is inexpensive, which is only $10. Cost us $10. Is which is in rupiah 100,000. Yeah. So it's not that so expensive.
Yes. Makan juga ini nasi buat tambahan.
Nggak denger. Kalau biasanya
Makan hari ini nasinya selain dapat minumnya teh boba guys. Kalau kemarin sore ini makan jadi
123.000 rupiah kalau dirupiahkan. And I discuss about like the cost, how much the cost if she buy a McDonald's in Canada. So I told her the cost roughly $10 Canadian dollar, which is like 100,000 rupiah in Indonesia money. She's quite surprised.
Karena di Indonesia tuh McDonald's 123.000 dapat
So, can you explain in English?
Oh, I explain with Indonesia.
In English. So you can practice your English because Ryan would love to.
So in Indonesia,
Elina explaining about like the cost. McDonald's if 100,000 rupiah.
in Indonesia kalau dapat apa aja.
So you can get like the whole like almost like package. Yeah,
Like chicken, burger, fries,
and drink.
and
You can pick. You can choose the drink. Satu, only one. So in Indonesia, yeah, it's a better life in Indonesia, guys. Move to Indonesia. Cost very inexpensive for the food, for sure. For living actually in Indonesia is not cheap anymore. Is everywhere is almost the same, but cost for the food is very inexpensive because in Indonesia a lot of people love to hang out, especially on the weekend. You know, they hang out, they went out with the family or they gathering with the family. Yeah, just like us today, right? They spend all the money for the food.
people in Indonesia itu pasti kayak bilang kayak oh it's very expensive because in one day terus kayak kamu harus ngeluarin uang
When they spend the money for one day,
for 1 month one day
spending,
spending money
uh-huh,
123 in
in one day.
it's really expensive.
The question is, which one you choose better? Going out every day or cooking at home? Cooking at home. Yeah. The reason why costs less. Costs less. The restaurant. So we are heading to another place. Hopefully we can make it because today the weather is not so friendly. Considering a cloudy, you know, sometime all of a sudden the rain can fall. The reason why I speak English just because my daughter need to prove or improve her English because when tomorrow
Sunday every Sunday
Saturday next Saturday
yes I practice English in my school.
she need to practice her English in the school, so that's the reason why I need to speak English to all my kids. A few of my kids can speak English but they less to speak and use the language just because they are very shy, do not want to practice the conversation. Even though we do not need to be shy, just say whatever you can. Though my English is not so perfect, guys, but we have to practice and we have to use it. We have to push ourselves. Right. Just let you know, our second trip, we take a bus.
No, kita ke sana harusnya.
Oh.
Tambahan lagi.
Wrong,
So wrong.
wrong.
Wrong jalan.
Let's just let you know, my other daughter, she used to work here, so as a nurse. So then she went to Jakarta. It's a thunder, started thunder. We have to go. Sosis. I need close. Open. Finally, we got the third one. The third minibus gonna take us. It's only 3 of us? Only 3 of us?
Nggak tahu, kita nunggu sini ya?
Iya, nanti tunggu soalnya 40.
Iya.
Jadi paling saya darat ini.